Good day everyone, you are welcome to GIS Solution channel. In this video, I want to show you how to view data metadata in ArcGIS. For example, in ArcGIS I have this data, which is Ibadan Metropolis 2017 land use land cover map. Now if I want to view the metadata of this data, let me show you how to get it done. Essentially, metadata refer to more information about the data or extra information about your data. Sometimes we also say data about data. Now, two ways to view the metadata of your data. Number one, right click the layer and come to data and then click on view item description. When you click on it, it will open this dialog box, and here you can see information about this data. However, this method, it shows incomplete data, because if you look at it, the summary is not available, the description is not available, the credit is not available, and extent is available. However, scale range is not available. But if it is available, this is where you will find them. So we can see that from here, only the extent is available here. Let me show you the second way of viewing the metadata of your data. The second way is this. Right click the layer and come to properties. When it opens, come to source. And here under source, you can see raster information, the number of columns and rows, the number of band, the cell size, and of course data source type. If I scroll down, you can see a lot of information here. You can see the extent here. You can see the top, the left, the right, the bottom, and you can see the spatial reference here. A lot of information about this data are provided here. So data about your data set is called metadata, and this is how to view them. With this knowledge, you'll be able to know information about the data you are using. This will help you on how to handle your data. For example, you can see the coordinate reference system here is projected. So there are some analyses that will only be successful when you run it in projected coordinate reference system. So checking the metadata of your data is very essential, and these are two ways of checking it. Thank you for watching.